Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is nutrition in animal part 3. So let's talk about it. Nutrition in animal. All animal require food for obtaining energy, growth, repair of damaged part and functioning of the body. The process of taking food by animals and its utilization in the body is called animal nutrition. Absorption in the small intestine. The digestive food can now passes into the blood vessels in the wall of the intestine. The process is called absorption. The inner wall of the small intestine have thousands of finger-like out growths. These are called villi. Can you guess what the role of the villi could be in the intestine? The villi increase the surface area for absorption of the digested food. Each villi has a network of thin and small blood vessels chained to its surface. The surface of villi absorbs the digestive food material. The absorbed substances are transported the blood vessel in different organs of the body where they are used to build complete substance such as the protein required by the body. This is called assimilation in the cells. Glucose breaks down with help of oxygen into carbon dioxide and water, and energy is released. The food that remains undigested and unabsorbed enter into the large intestine. Large intestine. The large intestine is wider and shorter than small intestine, and it is about 1.5 meter in length, and its function is to absorb water and some salt from the undigested food material. The remaining waste passes into rectum and the remains there as semi-solid feces. The feces matter is removed from the anus from time to time. This is called egestion. Digestion in grass-eating animals. Have you ever observed cows, buffalo, and other grass-eating animals chewing continuously when even they are not eating? They quickly swallow the grass and store in the part of the stomach called rumen. Feeding and digestion in amoeba. Amoeba is a microscopic single-celled organism found in pond water. Amoeba has a cell's membranes, a rounded, dense nucleus, and many small bubbles like vacuoles in its cytoplasm. Amoeba constantly changes its shape and position. It pushes out one or more finger-like projections called pseudopodia or false feet for a movement and capture of food. Facts about nutrition in animal. Number 1. The process of breathing in amoeba takes place through cell membrane. Number 2. The diet of amoeba include bacteria, metazoa, protozoa, plant cell, etc. Number 3. Digestion of food amoeba takes place in vacuoles. Number 4. Contractile vacuoles perform the task of removal and excretion of water and waste material from the body. So kids, tell me, what is the function of amoeba? Please write in a comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the nutrition in animals part 3. If you like my video, please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.